Hi, it's Lizzie Williamson here, fitness and health coach, and thrilled to be here with you on the Project Healthy Happy Me. If you're like me, you probably spend a lot of time in your kitchen. And what I love to do when I'm in here, whether I'm waiting for the kettle to boil, washing the dishes, making the school lunches, is move my body. I'm going to show you some great moves that help you tone your legs, your bottom, your tummy, and your arms, and it's only going to take us a couple of minutes. You're going to start off facing the bench here, and we're going to raise your heels up and down. Yeah, just get the energy flowing, start feeling the endorphins running through your body as your heart rate goes on up, lifting up. And here's our chance to work on our posture. Chest is lifted and open, back of your neck is long. Switching on your tummy muscles by pulling your belly button back towards your spine. Let's go a couple more here. Great, now we're going to step on back and we're going to push up towards the bench. And as you push up, you're going to bring a knee in and then come out and then swing that leg on back. So you work into your tummy as your knee comes up, work into your arms as you push on back, and work into your bottom as you swing that leg on up. Let's go 2 more this side. Keep your breath flowing and up, and just go down only as far as works for your body. Down and up. Bring that knee in. Helps us keep our core switched on. 2 more. 2, up, and 1. Up, great. Let's work our thighs. I'll come around this way, down and down. So as you bend, one heel raises this time. So you're going to pulse as low as you can go. And this gets into our inner thighs. And down we go as low as you can. Chest is open. And last one, great. Now you're going to stay low. And we're going to do a crazy thigh dance. In and out with our thighs. If anyone is watching you, get to do it with you or have a laugh at you, and you can have a laugh at yourself, and then we're going to do a little bit faster, crazy thigh dance here. Sometimes we've got to do some silly things to put a smile on our face and also give us some serious great thigh and leg bottom toning. Pulse it back, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Brilliant. You can shake it out there. If you need to stretch it out at all, you put one foot on top of the other, stretch it back, and then you can repeat that on the other leg. I hope you enjoy that. I hope that makes you feel great the next time you're in the kitchen, and I will see you for another workout soon. Bye-bye.